Wow, what a morning. I actually thought I was going to have to turn around and just go back home because the rain just absolutely thumped it down, thumped it down. And yeah, I just thought, if this got into the mortar, whoa, we're gonna have soup everywhere. But fingers crossed, touch wood. I've got nothing, that's wood. We don't get no more rain, we should be all good. But yeah, like I say, we are just cracking on today. It's Thursday today, so by at least tomorrow, that section that we've started wants to be up really. We just want to smash it out. Cam's doing all the final touches to the wall, which we've obviously topped and got up to, so call it the first wall or the first section. He's just really cracking on with that and trying to get it all brushed up today. And yeah, because like I say, the lime on that's really at a good point now. It's starting to really get, really get hard, and it's starting to firm up really nicely. So that's good, because obviously it's still warm at the minute. Well, it's 10 degrees this morning, sort of nearly hitting the 20s today as well. But we just want it to dry out a little bit, because it has been wet now for a few days, and it was a bit like, oh, is this actually going to go off a little bit? But thankfully it is, like I say, starting to firm up. So it's a perfect time to brush it up, because we don't want to brush it up too soon, because you'll smudge it all around the stone and you're just causing yourself more work. But anyway, yes, so today is this BOOMSNAP building. We're just going to bang it out, get it done. Get up today, and just hopefully there'll be, not much to finish tomorrow. But yeah, like I say, stone's all right. Getting over a load of stone this morning. Been using the dumper and just getting stone over and rubbish and stuff, just trying to sort it out, because a lot of the stone's been played around like they move it around the site, it gets muddy, it looks like lovely stone. You actually clean it off a little bit or dress it up, it's a block of cement. So that's the problem we've got at the minute. But hopefully we're just trying our best not to get any more of the new greenstone, because it might affect the pattern a little bit, because we've managed to spread it out just visually by the quantity we've got. Now we're finding that a lot of it is obviously bits of cement. We just don't want to adjust the pattern and the look of the walls we've obviously done. So yeah, we're using stone, which we probably wouldn't have used, in another circumstance. But if we don't have to get any more stone, that's a good thing. But yeah, it's just one of them. You always get to that point when but we still got a long way to go. Like I say, we're doing a section we've got here, we've got a little bit on the other side, and we've got to connect the walls, and we've got another set of steps to do. So I'm putting money on we've got to get another bag of stone, but we shall see. So anyway, yeah, like I say, let's crack on. Finished me cup of coffee and cup of tea, sorry. Finished my cup of tea, and yeah, crack on with today, and let's just see what we can get done. we are getting there. So we are just about, I believe, over halfway of the height of this section. We did make a mark, so that is just a rough mark basically of the wall height. So as you can see, yeah, we're about 2/3 basically. 2/3. Something on about so there's the right angle bit. Then we got RS, and then we got a straight. And then down here, it's just going to curve and then just go down with the slope and probably end by the dumper tyre. We are getting a bit low on stone, mind, but we're just going to have to, we can get some more of the new greenstone, but you know, it'd be better if we didn't, but if we have to, we have to. The site's finally quietened down a bit. It's been a very loud morning. So yeah, we're just getting there, like I say, trying to copy the style we've got there onto here. So now it's doing all right really, but yeah, stone is a bit funky. A lot of it looks like stone, but look, it's obviously got mortar wrapped around it, so by the time you beat the mortar off, you've actually only got a small stone. But no, we are doing all right, like I say. We're just hitting it today. We've had a few showers, but yeah, you can see it looks quite angry. Wind's picking up as well. We're supposed to get a load of rain actually in about an hour or two, so we're really trying to beast mode it today and get some height. So the steps are actually going to go there. So what we're doing with this wall, we're just going to, the returns are about 1 metre from that block, so we're just building back 1 metre, and then obviously that'll be the steps there. So that's quite nice. We've only got, so that means we've only got 1 cornered return to worry about. It's all gravy. Like I say, weather is holding out, so we've been lucky on that factor. Cam's been brushing up all that wall, so it's starting to look good now, that wall. Have a look at it later when he's finished. But no, yeah, once we're just, like I say, trying to get this bit up to height, and then probably tomorrow we'll start this curve, start working that little bit in. It's just that footing was only done yesterday, so we're giving it a bit of time to go off because it absolutely poured down yesterday. And then yeah, start on these steps, and then, well, Friday tomorrow, so it's only me and Cam actually, so they're cracking on now with the levels of the soil, as you can see. Looks lovely over there now. That's, I'll show you later, but it does look really nice now that topsoil's in. It's butting up to the tops there, as you can see. So that does look really good. It's yeah, so they're just trying to really crack on with that area, just so they can come off it. We can then get this soil and dirt pulled back, and then we'll put a block wall in and then clad onto that. There's another set of steps, just like the ones we did over there. And then yeah, lovely jubbly. I'll say this level's coming up really high. You can see that drain there. It's sort of halfway up that big stone really. So yeah, oh hello. Hey, lovely bit of sun. But no, it's all going good actually, it's all going good. Just want to, you know, like I say, get this bit in and then we'll be flying. Just BOOMSNAP building today, just really cracking on. Lovely jubbly. Right, anyway, let's go have a cup of tea. Go have a cup of tea and see what happens this afternoon. Try and get this bit at least up to height. It's just the back's taking a lot of time as well because we're having to fill it in. Whereas obviously on the rest of the walls, we're just cladding. So that was basically our back, but on this one we're actually filling that up. So and we are getting lower that as well. Don't want to start using nice stone in the back really, but we've used up all like old blocks and that. So yeah, it's a few little things we've got to try and get around, but we'll be all right. Like I say, it's just yeah, one of them days, one of them days. Anyway, let's go have that cup of tea and yeah, let's crack on with this afternoon. Come on, I just need a boost. Need a load of caffeine. Oof. Get this baby up, baby. BOOMSNAP building, baby.